Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a small craft. Let's get started. For it, you need wool, sewing needle, and scissors. First, take your wool and make 60 rounds for your index finger and middle finger. You can see it over here how I'm doing. After doing 60 rounds, cut the thread and cut some more thread and put it between your both fingers and let it go in. I used sewing needle to poke it and make one knot and pull the 60 rounds thread. After pulling it as much as possible tight, you have to pull it tight as much as it's possible for you and put your finger between and put another knot, and then you have to store this waste. It will be useful for the next one. I will show you in this video itself. You have to cut the all loops on the two pom-poms. After it, take a bottle cap any size of yours, or else you can make a circle with free hand means you can. I can't make, so only I used a bottle cap. And then after cutting the whole thing, you remove your cap, roll it once, it will become like a circle, and cut the big threads, or else make it into equal circle. It's your wish. And then I have been made so many pom-poms for the craft. And now you have to cut 3 hearts for it. After cutting 3 hearts, apply glue and stick the other heart. Stick the one heart. Now again apply glue. Again apply glue and stick another heart. Again, yeah, if you want, it's your wish. If you need more thicker means you can put some more cardboards. And then now apply glue through the heart like this. You can see it over here how I applied. Now after applying, you have to take a pom-pom. The circle ones are called pom-poms. Now take a pom-pom and stick it. Again take a pom-pom, stick it, again stick it, again once more stick it. Like this you have to complete a heart. After completing yellow ones, press everything together or keep one and press. It's your wish. After it, now you have to draw again a heart to stick brown pom-poms, brown color ones. First apply glue and take the one brown pom-pom and stick it over there like this. Again stick, press, stick and press, stick and press, stick and press. Now again apply glue. Now I'm using the yellow color pom-pom waste. Brown color pom-pom waste is again used. Now yellow color pom-pom is used to fill the middle heart. First apply glue and then take some pom pom waste of yellow and then put it over there like this. Stick it over there like this. If you want the brown pom pom waste, you can put it over the heart, like put it over the sides of the heart. It's your wish. I didn't stick it. If you want, you can stick it. I have been covered it with yellow, and then small gaps. If you have been remind, you can stick it like this. Put some glue over there and stick. Now if you want, you can replace a picture there of your family or anything. And I'm taking a small paper and I'm sticking over there. If you want, you can replace a picture of your family or your mother, anything, it's anyone's. Now I'm sticking it. After sticking it, now you have to cut 3 circles and apply glue. After applying glue, stick one circle and again apply glue. Stick one more circle. If you want more thicker means you can stick 6 or 4 or 5. 5 is enough, I guess. For me, this thickness is more than enough. Again apply glue and stick the brown pom pom waste. I'm gonna show you here how I'm going to apply glue, and you have to stick the brown pom pom waste. Take the pom pom waste and place it over there and press it. It's one way, or else spread it all over and stick it. It's your wish. 2 ways are okay. Anyway, you can do, but at last it have to be more darker and thicker. That's only one condition. Then it looks more attracting. So at last it have to be looking like more darker and like this. I'm going to show you how it looks at last. At last, you have to take a paint box or any of the box. It's your wish. I have been took an paint box, and after taking the paint box, you have to stick it to the brown cardboard, and you have to stick the heart like this. I show you here, like this. At last, it had been done. If you don't want to stick it means, you can just place it like just slantingly, you can place it. That's it. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.